Welcome to Ahmedabad, a city that never sleeps, where life moves fast and people are always on the go. But in the middle of this hustle, one important thing stands tall: women's safety. Ever wondered what these sleek boxes are for? Well, let us introduce you to the ECB. Emergency Call Boxes, your direct line to safety, installed by Gujarat government and police.
સો બેઝિકલી આ અમદાવાદ શહેરની અંદર નિર્ભયા પ્રોજેક્ટનું જે ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટેશન કરવામાં આવ્યું એના અંતર્ગત એક ઇમરજન્સી કોલ બોક્સનું જે કમ્પોનન્ટ છે એ શહેરમાં લગાવવામાં આવ્યું છે, જેનું મેઇન ઉદ્દેશ છે કે શહેરમાં રહેતા નાગરિકોને કોઈ બી જાતની ઇમરજન્સીની જરૂરિયાત પડે તો સીધો કંટ્રોલ રૂમમાં પોલીસ સાથે કનેક્ટ કરી શકે છે. આ એનો મેઇન ઉદ્દેશ છે.
Imagine this. You are feeling unsafe or uncomfortable, but right there, you see one of these call boxes. With just one press, boom, you are connected to the police control room. A live officer is on the other side, ready to help you immediately. It's not just a voice either. The ECBs are smart. Some are equipped with cameras watching over you. They connect to a whole system that tracks and analyzes what's going on.
ऑब्जेक्टिव तो यही है कि क्राइम घटे शहर में और लोग को ज़्यादा और सुरक्षित फील हो, स्पेशली महिला, सीनियर सिटीजन और बच्चे.
These boxes are everywhere, at bus stops, along busy streets, and in quieter spots too. In Ahmedabad alone, 737 of them cover 250 areas. So wherever you are, help is always nearby. Thanks to the Nirbhaya Safe City mobile app, you can get help from your phone too. Hit the SOS button and just like that, the police are alerted. You can also track your location, register 3 emergency contacts, and connect directly to the SHE team, a group of officers specially trained for women's safety. And get this, the app is not just about emergencies, it's your safety buddy wherever you go. So next time you're out and about, remember, Ahmedabad is watching out for you. Thanks to emergency call boxes, you are never alone. Safety is just one press or one tap away.